Okay, it is Saturday morning, and the best thing to do Saturday morning is to clean the house. It's the right moment because over the week is no time. Over the week, we wake up, I start to work, my son is preparing for school, I have to take care of him and to push him to do his things. And after that, I work until 4 o'clock, 4:30. He's returning from school, we go to the park, then we prepare for sleep. So cleaning the house is most of the time for the weekends, rarely over the week. A lot of things on the table here, and then we'll put on the bin. Sometimes I have problems with this kind of things. Should I put them on the bin or keep them? Because he's asking me about them later. He will ask later about them. So I will not throw them away, but I will leave them somewhere on a box. A lot of things. Tools. I like to use them. I need them many times. They'll be everywhere. Nuts. We consider they're very healthy and we use them many times. We eat them many times. Okay. Kinder Egg toys. Nothing but rubbish many times. This is a camera that Paul likes. Okay. These items will go on my desk for the moment. Water bottles, a whip pen. This is for the camera. Wow. Look, that's what. Oh my god. Oh, I think I know what I can use. This one. Oh, it's not big enough. Yeah, it worked. I have so many things around, like this one. I use it probably once in a few months. Only when it's really needed, but it's good to have it. So now I was able to put this back. Not everything can be hidden away. This box will stay here. This will stay here on the box. This will go to the bathroom. Paul, I need you to help me clean the house. Paul?
Come on, I didn't win the game.
Yeah, but we need to clean the house, okay?
Clean
So
the
just
house? No,
just-
help me! Help me!
Paul, come here. I need your help.
A
We
little
need to
bit of
clean
help?
a little bit of help. Yeah, in about 5-10 minutes we'll finish, okay? I need your help a bit. You cannot play it out. Clean the house.
Come on. Why is my dad?
Huh? You say that I'm the best dad in the world.
Ah, yeah.
Oh yeah, so now get
Forget
up, you'll
I
help me.
word.
So, first thing to do, let's clean your room.
Love you.
Paul! You say you'll help me. You say you will help me clean the house.
Oh, yeah. Okay, good. I said, what should I do next?
Do anything. Go in your room and do something. Maybe you can stay here.
I can do that.
I just did it.
Hey!
Like that.
No!
Yeah, stop doing that, please.
I don't even have help. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's mine.
Wait.
Can I do something?
Let me do it. Let me finish.
Thank you.
Doesn't
Thank
matter
you.
too much.
Oh,
Okay,
do
no, you
it.
can do it. Okay, you can do it. Look, you can.
Thank you.
Okay, your room is quite ready for the vacuum.
Oh. Oh. Was trying to pick my school.
No, what did you do?
No, nothing.
You said you'll do it.
Oh, I didn't look. I looked somewhere else.
No, do it now. You put it in two like that.
Hold it
Like
like
that.
something.
Now roll it. Roll it.
I.
Roll it like that. 1, 2, continue.
Okay.
No, don't unroll it.
I'm gonna unroll it and then roll it.
Okay.
I'm so big. I have so much
Okay.
work to do.
Now let's leave it here. Please do something else. Clean your desk, please. Look, put this in the box. Put this in the box.
Then, but not my important things, okay?
Put this in the box.
Yeah.
You have the box here, yes? Put them in the box, please. The book, you put it at the books, right there. And then all the crumbs from here, put them down because we'll vacuum the house. Paul, what did I say? You put this in the box too.
Down this. That's
You
enough.
put this in the box too. Listen.
That's down.
You put this on the bin. Put it there. You put on the bin.
That was from London.
It doesn't matter. And you can put this on the box too, and this one on the box too. Okay?
No, those
We need a pen.
those are my important things.
They are. That's why you can put them in the box.
No.
So you need
those
a
are
you need a wet
important
tissue
for
here
me.
to wipe your desk. Please put that on the bin first.
I do this in the bin.
Put it in the box then. It doesn't matter. Just put it somewhere. Put everything in the box, as I told you a few times.
But not my important things.
What I say to so many times. You want to put everything in the box today. I want you back on the house.
You threw my important things away.
No, this is not a way. It's in the box. They stay organized.
So I can say nothing. Nothing. It's gonna say no. Last. They are a little bit dry. Pot să fac la keyboard?
Da.
Când faci cu calculatorul deschis, ce se întâmplă?
Nothing. You just type things on the computer.